Good morning, everybody. What's today? Today's Thursday, June 20th. My pre market or my morning rituals is, after I drink my first cup of coffee and become somewhat sane and normal, is to kind of look at what's going on in the markets and, I don't know, try to figure out a way if I can make some short term money here. All right, let's take a look at some stuff here. All this stuff I'm showing you is probably, they're all free. You can get all this stuff for free. And that's what I like. I like free. Of course, I pay where I have to pay, right? For good information, good value, right? Stuff like that. But right now, I use FinViz just to kind of get an overview market here. And this was yesterday's trading. Obviously, Nvidia was up 3%, and it looks like Nvidia is up again pre-market this morning again. Technology keeps continuing to hold up the market, as well as some of the other things. But you can see here that not all technology stocks are created equal, and it goes to show you that all roads are leading to Nvidia, right? So it's something good to check on. And I usually go right over to StockTwits here. I've been posting some stuff in the morning here. I got my watch list of kind of different things that I've been keeping an eye on. One that I actually been keeping an eye on, which is making new all-time highs, relatively speaking. So let's just take a look at the 1 week here. It made an all-time high, I think, over here. It's kind of taken back a little bit. Is MCore, and I did write about MCore. I thought I wrote about MCore a long time ago. Here we go. In 2006, 2007, right? This was one of the cool ones where I actually updated it recently. And you can see here that, yeah, long-term holding sometimes makes sense, right? The question is finding those right stocks, right? Finding those right companies to bet in on the long time. But anyway, let's just kind of go back here. So MCore is doing pretty good. Let's see here. We're going to go see our favorite stock of the year and of the maybe decade, Nvidia here. It's looks like it's up pre-market $4.5, or it's $4.50. That's almost like 4% up pre-market. Of course, we don't know if that's gonna stick around or not. So anyway, yeah, just seems like technology is holding up the whole thing again. Snow, my favorite bastard child here, is kind of was down yesterday $3. I know I bought some recently and I sold it. Broke all my rules, which I shouldn't. Number one, moral of the story: if you're day trading, if you're swing trading or long-term trading, you have to come up with good rules and stick with them. Every time I lose money, every time I violate my rules, and that's the discipline that you need. So anyway, before I sign off, let's take a look at gold. What's gold doing? My models, my forecast models in the weekend report were pointing toward a lower close for what do you call it, for gold here. Let's kind of take a look at here, 5 day, and it looks like it is actually perking back up. So we'll see. We still got one more day to see if it sells off, and if not, then I probably have a not so good performing model. Right? That's the thing with predictions; it's hard. Same thing with silver. I think it was predicting to go down. It's looking like it's staying flat, so that's probably about right here. These numbers being as high as they are in the metals market leads me to believe that inflation is still there, but they have pulled back, and so maybe there is some good news. Maybe we will get that one rate cut this year. I don't think so, but if we do, the market is going to go wild. Anyway, guys, good luck trading. Remember your risk. If you're doing any trading, long-term trading, remember it's all about risk. It's all about following your rules. All right, later, Gator. Bye.